Hello and welcome to Standout Scholars. In this part 3 of simple pulley system, we are going to discuss on how to calculate mechanical advantage of a given pulley system. The following are the terms associated with pulley systems: mechanical advantage, load, effort, velocity ratio, and efficiency. We're going to look into one by one in different parts. In this particular part 3, we're going to look at mechanical advantage. For instance, we are given a question and it says, if a load of 10 Newton is moved 1 meter upwards by an effort which moves 1 meter downwards in a single fixed pulley, calculate the effort applied and the mechanical advantage. Let's quickly draw the pulley system which they are saying is a fixed pulley system. It says fixed pulley, okay, that to a single fixed pulley system. So single fixed pulley system, we know it's like this. That's axle, that's your wheel. Quickly just draw the ropes. That's your effort. And that's your load. Load is 10 Newton. We need to find the effort applied. Now, he says the load moved 1 meter upwards. That means when the effort, let me just change this, and effort also moves 1 meter down. So we got to say the effort moves till here, which is 1 meter, and the load moves up till here, which is 1 meter. Okay. In this scenario, in this case, we need to find the effort force or the effort applied. And the formula which we're going to use is effort force times distance of effort is equal to load force times load distance. This is distance of load and this is distance of effort. So effort force is what we are looking for. So in short, we say EF multiplied by distance moved, which is 1 meter, which is equal to load force, which is over here given 10 Newton, multiplied by distance moved by load, which is 1 meter. So effort force is equal to 10 Newton times 1 meter divided by 1 meter. This and this will cancel out and we'll get 10 Newton. Hence the effort force is equal to 10 Newton. This we are looking at part A. Now we look at the mechanical advantage in part B. Mechanical advantage, in short MA, is equal to load our effort, which is equal to, we given a load of 10 Newton and effort we found from part A, which is 10 Newton, and this is equal to 1. Hence, the mechanical advantage of a single pulley system, as discussed in part 2, is always equal to 1. So first we need to find the effort, and the formula for finding effort over here from a given data is that effort force times distance moved by effort is equal to load force times distance moved by load. We get 10 Newton. We substitute that effort which found in this formula, mechanical advantage is equal to load over effort, and we get mechanical advantage is equal to 1. We're going to look into other examples of mechanical advantage and how to find velocity ratio and efficiency in part 4 and part 5 of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.